One day you realize something slightly uncomfortable. Nobody is coming. Nobody is coming to fix your life. Nobody is coming to suddenly give you the answers. And strangely, that realization changes everything. Most of us spend a large part of our lives waiting for the right opportunity, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone to notice us, waiting for the moment when things finally fall in place. And while we're waiting, life keeps moving. Years pass, circumstances change, people come and people go. But somewhere deep down, we still carry this quiet expectation that at some point, someone will arrive. Someone will show us the way. Someone will fix things. But one day something shifts. You realize something simple but powerful. Nobody is coming. Nobody is coming to save you, and nobody is coming to give you permission. Nobody is coming to suddenly make your life easier. And strangely, the moment you truly understand that, something inside you changes. Because if nobody is coming, then you stop waiting. You stop postponing the things that matter. You stop telling yourself that one day you'll start. You stop hoping that life will magically reorganize itself, and instead something else begins to happen. You start showing up. You start making decisions. You start taking responsibility for the life in front of you. And strangely, that's the moment life actually begins. Because the moment you stop waiting for someone else to arrive is the moment you finally arrive in your own life.